Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do my nails and manicure at home. Obviously I'm not an expert, but I really like to do my nails at home and change color when I want to. And I think that with some practice it's not that difficult to do, and it becomes easier every time you do it. I do this nail routine about once or twice a week. It depends on how much time I have. So let's start from the beginning. The first step is to soak your hand in warm water and hand soap for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'm going to file all my nails, and I'm using this glass nail file. And it's important that you file all your nails in the same direction, or you're gonna make them worse. Next, I'm gonna push back all my cuticles with this tool, but try not to trim them because you will make them worse. Then I'm going to apply a base coat, and I like to use this one, which is from Colorstar, and it's actually a 3-in-1 product, but I only use that as a base. And don't worry if you're not precise applying this product, because it's clear anyway, so. When the base coat is dry, I'm going to apply my nail polish, which is from Kiko, and it's in the shade 226, which is a brown purple color that I think it's purple fall. And the trick is to apply the nail polish not all over the nail, but you need to leave a space around the cuticles. After waiting for a few minutes, I'm going to apply a second layer of color, but if you don't have enough time, you could do just one. Now I'm going to seal everything with this top coat, which is from Essence Studio Nails, and it's called Better Than Jam Nails. It's a top sealer which has a gel effect, so it's really shiny and it lasts a long time, but more important, it dries in a minute or so. And when the top coat is completely dry, the final step is to apply some cuticle oil just underneath them. And this is from Ice Nail Lacquer, and I really love it. And the manicure is complete. I hope you like it and that it was useful. Thumbs up if you liked this video and want more of that, and I see you next time. Bye!